Most traders believe that time in the market will make them better. That if they keep trading, keep gaining experience, eventually things will click. Unfortunately, most traders lack a repeatable process for reviewing their trading decisions. They typically look at their P and L, spend time putting lines on charts, and move on to mindlessly buying and selling. They never break down their decisions into key details like, was this trade executed properly? Did I follow my plan? What actually went wrong? This is why most traders fail to progress. Not because they lack effort, but because they lack structured feedback. This is exactly what Tradelo is built to solve. After every trading session, Tradelo guides you through a structured performance review. Not just what happened, but how you traded. With the chart execution feature, each trade is broken down so you can see exactly where you entered, where you exited, how you plan to trade, and what actually happened. All based on your actual verified data. So there's no guesswork, no avoiding the truth, 100% accountability. With built-in journaling, you're not just recording trades, you're capturing your thinking. No more random note-taking stored on the cloud, never to be reviewed again. With performance journaling, you determine what works, what doesn't, and what are your key trading conditions. The traders who succeed aren't the ones who trade the most, they're the ones who adopt smart processes fastest. Start using Tradelo today for free, no credit card required. Face your trading reality head-on with performance journaling, and become accountable with the Tradelo application.